Problem 8. A two-digit positive integer is said to be cuddly if it is equal to the sum of its non-zero tens digit and the square of its units digit. How many two-digit positive integers are defined as cuddly? Well, let's assume that the units digits are a and b. If that's the case, the two-digit must equal to the 10a plus b. 10a plus b gives us the overall quantity of ab, which this right here must be equal to the sum of its non-zero tens digit, which is a, plus the square of its units digit. So how many digits are considered as cuddly? Well, now that we have this, what we have to do is we have to simplify and find something in terms of x and y that can help us. Well, combine like terms, right? If you want to combine like terms, we have to subtract it on both sides. 9a plus b is equal to b squared. So that means 9a is equal to b squared minus b. Now, b squared minus b, that is the same thing as b minus 1. So with this, what we can say here is that since 9a is equal to b times b minus 1, there has to be a factor of 9 right here. Because remember, a and b must be integers because they're part of a two-digit number. So what possible b's give a number that's ultimately divisible by 9? So that means, obviously, right, b cannot equal 1. Because if b is equal to 1, then what do we see? We see this is equal to 0. And we cannot have it equal to 0 because that will turn it into a one-digit number, which is bad. So let's consider what it can be. B can obviously equal 9, right? Then that becomes 9 times 8. So that would obviously be a correct solution. Now what about another option? Well, b can equal 10. But b obviously cannot be a two-digit number because if it's a two-digit number, how can that fit within a two-digit number by itself? B is a digit after all. So that means if b is equal to 9 is the only number that can turn this into a product of two terms of which one includes 9, that means that our final answer must be answer choice B.